Hi, this is Sean. I'm back. Don't know how much you got of the other model building video, because camera ran out of room. But I managed to put most of the model kits on the shelf now. And all the Batman stuff is together. And the Batboat, the Bat Missile, Batmobile should be in there too. Well, it's actually in the car cabinet. And of course I got the 2001 stuff, so there's a spacecraft. Bought that at a flea market. 1/44 scale though. And out Moonbus. The Discovery Starship is also 1/44 scale, so they will be also in scale with most of the space shuttles. So that'll be good. Like, that's a 1/44 space shuttle. That's a 1/44 space shuttle, etc. And so is the 40th anniversary space shuttle, which is that one. You can see from the side of the box there, 1/44. I'm just thinking of stuff here. Take a look at this. You can put the two small ships here, like so. There you go. You have the Resistance X-Wing fighter. That's good. Put it like that. There you go. We have the AT-ST, which should, theoretically, be able to fit right here. There you go. Good. So, all you need to do now is grab the couple more Star Wars kits here. 1 second. Because I've got a good idea. I have the Darth Vader from Return of the Jedi, the Bandai figure. Now he should be able to hopefully, see, he can fit here, but what you can do is you can bring him down a bit. Oops, don't want that. There you go. There you go. Got him there. Good. And that creates more space for the on that shelf down there. Now, still don't have enough space for the 2005 kit, but it's on the shelf now. So you just had to arrange things properly, and I think you got it good now. Trying to think of anything else that could fit on that space shelf, and I think I just thought of something. The NX class. Let's see, I can fit one box up there, just one. There you go. First trilogy of Star Wars with the first Excelsior version. That's good. That's good. You see? Open up some space on the model shelf below. I bet you could put the other model on there. 1 second. This one. There you go. Oh, there we go. So you got all the model shelves arranged properly now. The NX-01 is at the top because, of course, that's where the 2008 one is. It's actually right, careful, behind it. See? You can see it there. So there we go. We got the 2003 on top of the NX. You see? There we go. That's good. And you got the Grissom on top of everything else. Because I don't think there'll be any space to put the Grissom anywhere. But I think I can take these markers here and I can put them just there for now. Good. And probably the highlighters as well. Here you are. That way they're out of the way. But actually it's going to be difficult to see everything there, so actually I'll put the highlighters back up here like that. There you go. And then as far as what I have up here, I will take these Staedtler markers and just have them right there on top of the highlighter. So now you have the 5-level model shelf all arranged, and you still have a bit of room there for something, not sure what. But there you go. And Titanic along the top there, and then all the planes up there right at the top, just as they should be, because they fly above everything else. And you can still see the model kit I'm currently working on. I put all the model paints back on the shelf, and the entire model room is back as it was before. That's a review of the new model kits, and the model room is back to where it should be. And that'll finish out the video for this week. And I'll see you here next week for the next model building section. So I hope you had a good weekend, and talk to you all later. Bye-bye.